What's up, guys? Welcome back to another reaction. We got Jong Kook and I was going to say versus and ATEEZ on Barapuro Gare? Something about the ocean. All I know is the ocean. Okay? I don't know the rest of the words, but something about the ocean. Let's go. Look at this man. The tiger. And ATEEZ. 아직 말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에 담아둔 말 Hey, hey. 어색한 사이가 될 수 있어도 오늘만큼은 내게 말할게 바라보러 갈래 오늘 밤 Yes! Ooh! Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ooh, 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 ooh. They're so cute, bro. Ooh, 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 ooh. Go ahead, Minky. Good to see you back, baby. Good to see you back, baby. I aspire to be as fit as JKJ. KJJ. Oh my god. KJK. Get it, Songma. Get it, Songma. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Ooh. It's a very cute song. It feels very happy and lovey and just you just wanna I'm loving this feel. Very summery, very lovely. Ooh! Ooh, young. Go ahead. Minky! Songwa! Hongjong! KJK! Get it, get it, get it, get it. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I love this. I absolutely love this, okay? I'm smiling. My neck hurts from smiling so much. Okay, tell me how, when I was watching Running Man for the first time and I saw Jong Kook, I was like, this man's buff. They call him the tiger for a reason. This man's crazy. But then you hear this man sing and you're like, the tiger has a beautiful roar? Excuse me? I was expecting I don't know what I was expecting, but the voice that came out of that is fantastic visuals and vocals. Come on now, and you see the moves. You see the moves, bro. Oh man, it's really good to see Mingy back. You know, I miss Mingy so much. Being in videos, it's just something about just that man just makes me go yes, yes, my brother. I want to be best friends with Mingy, for multiple reasons. But I want him to teach me how to rap, and we can talk about all kinds of stuff that he likes and stuff that I like, and see if we like things in common. If that's possible, somebody make this happen. I'm down. I want to be best friends. This is a really good video. It was a really good video. It was really hype, really happy, really lovey. You know, I love you. I think I love you. Know, I think I love you. Ooh. I love a song that makes you feel just, I don't know what the word is. Like, I'm happy right now. I don't know. It's just a lot of, it's got that emotional drama filled, like you're watching a drama at the end and you're just like, oh, this is the outro. This is the outro. You know, you're getting into it. Oh man, this is a good time. This is a good time. I really enjoyed this video. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you subscribe. And leave me your recommendations for the next video you want me to do. I'm going to be getting into this today as well. So oh, you can't even see it. It's pentatonics with ATEEZ. I'm excited for that too. I saw that pop up on my Spotify. I was like, excuse me, what is this? What is this? But I haven't watched it, so I haven't heard it. So we about to get into that later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. And until then, let's have a beautiful look at the beautiful patrons. Hello, patrons. You guys are all awesome. I hope you guys are having a great day and seeing a lot of cool stuff like smiles and rainbows and happiness and butterflies and chocolate. You like chocolate, right? Some people are allergic to chocolate, and that's a life I don't want to live. I feel like I can't eat chocolate anymore because it's starting to make me nauseous every time I do. It's just sweet stuff. I might be eating too much sweets. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Love you. Bye.